Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to your Binance. So first thing that we should do is to open our Tonkeeper app, and then right here, since the Ton coin is not listed in Binance for trading and services, we need to swap Ton to USDT in the Tonkeeper app. So do this by selecting swap, then choose the swap Ton with USDT, and then enter the amount you wish to transfer. And then once the swapping is done, select the send button. Here you'll see that an address is needed, and in our example, we will use Binance. Okay, so let's open our Binance application. And then right here, what you're going to do is to simply click on deposit. And then you have to select deposit crypto. Here, you just have to search for USDT. So this one. And then make sure to choose the correct network, which is the Ton coin. So just click on it. Okay, so right here, we finally have the deposit address as well as the USDT memo. So first, let's copy the deposit address and then paste it here. And then here for the required comment, let's go back here, then copy the memo, then paste it here. And then after that, you just have to simply click on continue. Okay, and then here, just have to type out the amount that you want to send. And then select continue if everything looks correct. And then select confirm and then send. And if you want money for USDT, you just select the P2P in the Binance app. And here, select sell and then choose the currency you want to receive and USDT as the currency, cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now you just need to enter the amount you want to withdraw and proceed and enter your bank details when prompted, and then confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.